Hey guys, Teacher Shark here. Today we're going to be working on missing addends. So we know that in an addition problem, the two numbers that we add together are called the addends. And the answer to our addition problem is called the sum. So when I say we're going to work on missing addends, I mean we're going to have a problem like 1 plus something equals 3. We need to figure out the addend that is missing. So to do that today, I'm going to be reading a story to you about a class who goes to the aquarium. But the problem is, students aren't paying attention, and this teacher keeps losing her students. So we need to figure out how many students she's missing throughout this trip. Okay, so here we go. Miss Adventure's class had 12 students. One day, Miss Adventure took them on a field trip to the aquarium. She and her students rode to the aquarium on a bus. When they arrived, Miss Adventure had her students line up and count off from 1 to 12. But she only heard her students count to 9. Some of the boys were still on the bus. So we know she had, oh, that was a really bad 9. I'm going to make that look a little bit better. Kind of looked like a Q. Okay, so she has 9 students with her right now. So some of them are missing. And we know in total she has 12 students. So 9 students are with her. How many are missing if she has 12 students total? She is missing 3 students. 3 of them weren't paying attention. Oh no! Okay, let's see what happens next. Miss Adventure got on the bus to tell the boys to join their classmates. Mila and Alex did not wait for their teacher. They ran ahead to the ticket booth. Miss Adventure got off the bus and had her students count off. This time, there were only 10 students. So she has 10 with her. How many are missing if she has 12 students total? There are 2 students missing. 2 of her students ran ahead. That's not good. Charisse knew that Mila and Alex had gone to the ticket booth. So she told the teacher, and they all walked there together. Miss Adventure bought 1 adult ticket and 12 student tickets. She started handing them out, but Faith bent down to pick up a quarter from the ground, and Miss Adventure didn't see her. So if Faith bent down to pick up her ticket and her teacher didn't see her, how many tickets are left over? Just 1. Just Faith's ticket. What are you doing, Chance? Oh my goodness, he just ran in here like a crazy man. When Faith saw that everyone else had tickets, she got hers from Miss Adventure. They all entered the aquarium. The first display they saw had lots of silvery fish swimming in a huge tank. The next room had tanks with fish of many different colors. 4 of the boys wanted to hurry up and find the sharks. They walked faster than the rest of the class. The teacher followed quickly after them and caught up with the boys by the hammerhead sharks. But Miss Adventure noticed that the rest of her class was not behind her. So this time we have 4 boys who ran ahead, and she's chasing them. Oh. But how many students are still behind her if she has 12 students total? How many are behind? 8 of them. 8 students were still following way behind her when she was trying to catch up with those boys. All right, let's see what happens next. Grayson went to tell the others to catch up, and finally the class was together again. Then another group of aquarium visitors passed by Miss Adventure and her students. Kevin and Eduardo were talking, and walked with the passing group, and they were not paying attention. So these two boys started following the wrong group. So if two of them left, how many students are still with Miss Adventure right now? 10 of them. When the two boys left, there were still 10 students with Miss Adventure. Kevin and Eduardo looked up and realized their mistake. They ran back toward their classmates. Miss Adventure was glad to see them and had everyone count off. At last, there were 12 students once again. They all stayed together during the rest of their visit to the aquarium, and they had a wonderful time. All right, that's it for Missing Addends today. Good luck on your assignment. Bye!